Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a credit card with no credit. Now this will be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. So if you didn't know what the OpenSky Visa credit card is, this basically allows you to build credit with every swipe. So you can basically apply for this card and they won't actually do a credit check on you. So if we scroll down a bit, here we can see both the cards that they have to offer. The first one is just the OpenSky card, and this has a $35 annual fee, and the minimum security deposit is $200, and the variable APR is 25%. And of course, there's no credit check to apply. For the OpenSky Plus, there's no annual fee, the minimum security deposit is $300, and the variable APR for this one is almost 30%. So if we scroll down a bit on the site, they say here we can build our credit in 4 steps. So you basically just have to transfer funds for the refundable security deposit, and that sets your credit line. From there, every single purchase helps you build credit, and keeping your spending below 30% of your credit limit will see larger credit gains. And they say here, spend like normal, build credit like crazy. From there, you can keep paying on time to see your score improve month after month. And if you can't pay in full, just take care of your minimum balance. So as you keep using it, you can keep growing your credit. And it says here you can get evaluated for credit line increases every 6 months. So if you have any more questions about this card, you can head down to the FAQ and just read through all these to learn everything you know about it. But in order to get started, you want to go up to the very top and then you can simply just click Get Started. So in order to apply, they ask your name, address, date of birth, and any other information that will allow them to identify you. So unfortunately, it's not actually letting me apply, and that's because this is only for the USA. As you can see here, it's owned by Capital Bank, and it's not actually available in UK as of now. But if you are living in America, you will be able to apply for this and raise up your credit score. So that's how you can get a credit card with no credit. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.